This product works very well and made my PC much quicker to turn on and to use from program to program. No more noise from the mechanical hard drive that came installed in my PC. The PC is much quieter and quicker. I chose to upgrade the hard drive to the SSD first rather than the memory. This S700 Pro 2.5 inches SATA 33D NAND from HP was less expensive than it was to buy memory. I made the right choice in buying the SSD and eventually I will replace the memory, but for now the PC is much better and quicker and efficient without upgrading the memory beyond 8 GB. My system runs Windows 10 and came with a 1TB mechanical hard drive with 8 GB memory. I swapped out and put in the 256 GB SSD and the PC is really doing much better. WASNT expecting the drive to work so well, but after finding the Samsung SSD WASNT compatible with my USFF computer, I was pointed to this. Even the little i3 thermal throttled machine sped up. I recommend at least 200 GB for a SSD. Those 100 to 120 just fill up too fast, and if you check the stats you'll notice they are slower, yet the 480 to 512 are usually faster, but for a basic system I am not sure if you'd feel the difference. This SSD S700 Pro 1TB is quick enough that swapping to it from a failing RAID 0 array of older Intel SSDs showed no noticeable slowdowns in day-to-day use, though it is obviously slower in benchmarks due to being a single drive vs a pair. The SSD is still plenty fast enough to max out the throughput on a SATA 3 port, and the generous cache on board makes writes very fast as well. The endurance rating of 650 TBW on the 1TB model should last upwards of 15 to 20 years based on my usage patterns as a heavy workstation user, having written about 120 TB on my old RAID array over about 4 years. While this SSD does not have power loss protection, HP touts its many other data integrity mechanisms and it seems to hold up quite well under heavy load. I bought this for my wife to use as her backup drive. She likes to have things she can hold, see, and this was easier than trying to teach her about a network backup drive. I bought a 3.1 USB cable that connected to the drive in the laptop. It has been very easy to use, and the laptop MacBook Air recognized the drive immediately. I set up Time Machine to run as soon as it was detected, so backing up her files has been super easy for her. I did not use an external case, because it was not carried around from place to place, and so far, it has not had a problem. I bought a HP NVMe 512GB SSD and the following week decided on the HP S700 Pro 1TB as my backup drive, storage, and using the PCIe NVMe HP X950 SSD 512GB as my operating system drive and things I want super fast. Replaced all the laptop drives in my Asus GL503 laptop I just bought. I had a SSHD 1TB 5 CUDA and this S700 Pro is 5x faster at least. The other HP NVMe drive is 27 to 30 times faster. Click link in description for more reviews.